Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and from over here we'll be required to go to the messaging section of our Snapchat account. To do that, tap on the messaging icon at the bottom left corner of the screen just beside the maps, guys. And on this section, guys, you can see at the top of the screen, this is my another account to which I had blocked this account which I'm currently using on this phone. So let's go to that account, and on a way you can know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat is first you can see I had sent the message 2 minutes ago, and there is the delivered button available, guys. Whereas you can see, if you scroll down, guys, there is the received categories of the message as well as the open categories of the message. So even though the message is delivered, they will not be receiving or opening it forever because that message won't go to that account. So it will be just stuck on delivered in a way. So, and another way you can know if somebody has blocked you is just go to the account. To do that, tap on their name, and again on this profile at the top of the screen, tap on their name. And over here, guys, you can see the snap score is not available for us, which means that the snap score has been hidden because of we are blocked or unadded in a way. And by these two methods, guys, you will be able to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.